Aha. Well, matalas nga naman siya. Hello everyone. I have a quick one here. Isang mabilisang video. I just wanna show you itong bagong bili ko na knife. Galing kay Donald Fernandez, also known as Master DAF. Isa ito sa mga kalahok ng sinalihan ko na Pinoy Forge and Fire na inorganize ni B-Boy of the Sharp Edges EDC and Camp Knife Challenge. So after the first stage, napili na isa sa top 4 itong knife ni Master DAF. Hindi ito mismo, no? This is just one of the replicas na ginawa niya. So ito yung naging entry niya. It gained a favorable score from the judges, considering napaka-sharp, napaka-functional, and overall it looks good. I like the profile of this one. So konting specs muna tayo. Handle is 3.5, blade length is 4.5. Yeah, 4. Sobra ng konti sa 4. Uy, di ba dapat disqualified ito? Kasi sobra sa parameters. Anyway, so this is what I got from him. I asked kung pwede kong bilhin yung entry niya. Sabi hindi daw, and then instead may mga replicas na ginawa. So ito yon, the knife and the sheath. I believe this one is made out of chainsaw guide bar because of this, hiwa sa spine. 4 yung ginawa niya, and yung pinili ko ay the closest to the yung sa entry niya. And pinili ko itong pinaka buo ang hiwa sa guide bar na chainsaw. So the profile is a hunter. I have to be honest, I really like the profile of this knife. Simple na shape with a good belly. Okay, it's very functional, very utilitarian. Maraming pwedeng paggagamitan nito, food preparation, at medyo makapal din, so it can withstand heavy cutting tasks. Handle, full tang, tumatama lang sa kamay natin. It's comfortable. Meron siyang groove dito, finger choil. So yeah, overall it's very comfortable. Sa blade niya meron siyang thumb ramp dito, kung saan pwedeng lumugar ang iyong thumb if you want to press on cutting. Sa finish, he retained the kung ano yung surface ng chainsaw guide bar, and he gave it a high grind. That's why very sharp itong knife nito, because napaka taas ng grind niya sa bevel. I don't know what wood was used for this one. Amuyin natin. Nara kaya ito? Looks like Nara. Ayan yung kanyang logo, Master DAF. Fastened by 2 aluminum rods. Leather ang kanyang sheath. Meron siyang stamp sa leather, Master DAF. I don't know ano ito. Donald, siguro Donald, D-N-L-D, baligtad na D, Donald. Yeah, that's his first name. So nice style, Master. Very basic and very classic na sheath para sa knife na ito. So overall, I am satisfied with the purchase. They're very sharp, and I think this is a sturdy one. Fit and finish, you can do a little bit better siguro. Konting liha siguro, and shine, buffing siguro dito sa handle will improve this looks. Pati itong mga sanded off na mga parts, pwede pa itong mapakinis. But then anyway, for the price that I paid for this one, I cannot complain. Very affordable ang price ni Master DAF. I think I paid for 2,800 for this one, including the shipping. So come on, it's really a good value for the money. I'll have a size comparison pala. Ito sa bagong gawa ko rin na parang Hunter. Very similar in size. Yeah. So I think that's about it. Please check this guy's Facebook page or Facebook account. He makes some cool looking and very functional knives. Probably if you want some bigger ones, then I think he makes some also. Yeah, so thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe, everyone. Stay sharp.